everyone, I'm going to be sharing with you guys today about one of my favorite mist toners, which is the Pyunkang mist toner. If you look at Pyunkang as a brand, this is actually a brand that you can, it's like one of these really old Ayurveda hospitals in India. Similarly, Pyunkang Medicinal Hospital, Herbal Medicinal Hospital has been around for more than 100 years in South Korea, and they have been in the field treating serious skin disorders. So some of their patients asked them to come up with a skincare line, and they did, and this beautiful blue apothecary style bottle is something that they came up with. Their skincare packaging is minimalistic, as are the ingredients inside. You'll usually find their products formulated with 5 or 6 special ingredients, and that's about it. So if you have dry skin or even normal skin, dry dehydrated skin, oily skin, Pyunkang entire range looks at balancing the oil and water content in your skin. So if you're looking at something that you can mist across the day, whether you're wearing makeup or not, if you're looking at a mist that you can spray after you wear your makeup and in between your makeup to refresh your makeup, look no further than the Pyunkang mist toner. Pyunkang skincare products are also pregnancy safe, as shared to us by the brand. So feel free to use this. This is a beautiful mist toner. This will nourish your skin. It will moisturize your skin from deep within and definitely heal your skin. I know that because I've loved using it time and again, especially their moisture range and their nutrition range. Do try it out, and soon we'll also be bringing in the acne line from Pyunkang, which is also very gentle. So if you're looking for a mist toner that will be magical on your skin, look no further. Use this and let me know what you feel about it.